Hey everyone, welcome back to Scada and Beyond with Alana. Today we're breaking down PLC communication protocols in a way that's simple and easy to understand. In just 3 minutes, you'll learn how machines in a factory talk to each other and why it's so important. Let's dive in. Imagine a bustling factory where machines need to communicate to keep everything running smoothly. PLC communication protocols are like different languages these machines use to understand each other. Think of it like how people use English, Spanish, or Mandarin to communicate. Let's start with the basics. A PLC or programmable logic controller is like the factory's supervisor. Just like a supervisor gives instructions and receives updates from workers, PLCs communicate with devices like sensors, motors, and other control systems. But here's the catch. Not all devices speak the same language. That's where protocols come in. Now let's explore some common protocols with real-world examples. First up, Modbus. Modbus is like sending a text message. It's simple, reliable, and widely used. It was one of the first industrial protocols, created back in 1979, and it's still popular because of its straightforwardness. But just like a basic text message, it's limited to simple information and doesn't have built-in security features. Next, we have Ethernet IP. This one's more like using a modern messaging app with advanced features. It can handle complex conversations between devices and share information more efficiently. Think of it as a group chat where machines can share real-time updates about production status, temperature readings, or maintenance needs. Then there's Profinet. This is like having a video conference call. It's super fast and can handle lots of different types of information at the same time. It's especially great for time-sensitive communications, like in a robotic assembly line where timing has to be perfect. Profinet is all about precision. But here's an important point. Just like we need to secure our online communications, these industrial protocols need protection too. Many older protocols, like Modbus, were designed in a time when cybersecurity wasn't a major concern. It's like leaving your front door unlocked in a small town decades ago. Today, we need to add extra security measures to protect these industrial conversations from eavesdropping or tampering. Modern factories often use multiple protocols together, just like we use different apps to communicate with different people. This requires careful planning and proper security measures to make sure all these conversations happen safely and efficiently. So, why does this matter? Because these protocols are the backbone of industrial automation. When they work well, everything runs smoothly. But when communication breaks down, it can lead to production stops, safety issues, or even security vulnerabilities, just like how miscommunication between people can cause problems. That's PLC communication protocols in a nutshell. If there's a specific protocol you'd like me to explain further, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into industrial automation. Thanks for watching.